Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Sitelink extensions in Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Sitelink extensions, now commonly managed as assets in Google Ads, are a useful way to give people extra links beneath your ad. These links can lead to important pages on your website, such as product categories, pricing pages, contact pages, or special offers. Adding them can make your ad more helpful and improve how much space it takes up in search results. Once you are inside Google Ads, go to the top area of the interface and click on Tools. This is where Google groups together several account features and resources, including the area where assets can be managed. If your layout looks slightly different, that is normal, since Google occasionally updates the design, but the general path remains similar. After opening Tools, click on Asset Library. This section is where you can view and organize different creative assets used across your campaigns. Think of it as a central place for managing reusable ad elements. Inside the Asset Library, look for the option labeled Sitelink and click on it. This will take you to the Sitelink area where you can see any existing site links and start building new ones. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, and that is perfectly fine. Next, click on Create New. This starts the process of making a new asset. When the menu or creation options appear, click on Sitelink again to confirm the type of asset you want to create. At this point, follow the on-screen procedure to create your site link. Google Ads will guide you through the fields you need to complete. Typically, you will enter the link text people will see, along with the final URL for the page you want them to visit. In some cases, you may also have the option to add description lines, which can provide more context and make the site link more informative. As you complete the setup, make sure each site link points to a relevant page and uses clear, concise wording. It is a good idea to keep the text specific so users know exactly what they will get when they click. Also, double-check the destination URL before saving, since accuracy matters for both user experience and ad performance. Once everything looks right on your screen, finish the creation process by saving your new site link. After that, your asset will be available for use in Google Ads. And that's how to add Sitelink extensions in Google Ads.